What is up, everyone? This is Virtual Trading, and I hope that you enjoyed your weekends with your family and your loved ones because those are the most important things in the world, right? So, now once again, we are back on the grind. Now it is time to understand what markets are doing. In this video, I will not just give you the levels or the view for markets to come, but in this video, I'll try to give you my perspective of how I see things playing out, right? So this we take this video with a grain of salt. Take this for educational purposes, and the trades I will even give trades, don't worry about it. But in every business you have to first learn the tricks of the trade, then you have to earn, right? If you're a professional, if you're a CA you have to study for 5 to 6 years. If you are a pilot, that you have to undergo training for 5 plus years. If you are a doctor, you have to study for approximately 8 to 10 years, then you will get that money, right? But since trading is one of the most easiest and one of the most hardest business at once, people who know what they are doing, for them it is the easiest business. You can earn money by the click of some buttons. But people who don't know what they are doing, who treat this like a casino, they are eventually gonna lose and keep losing, right? The markets are rigged against us. See, markets are made to function in a way that majority of people should lose in the market. So we have to understand that we are against so many things: the algorithms, the big players, the option sellers, the big makers, the manipulators, the operators. And we have just our skill. They have a lot of money power, right? They have a lot of money power to make our trades go haywire. But as humans, God has bestowed us with the superior of mind. No algorithm can beat that. Right. So with this man that we have to accumulate these skills which I'm like imparting now. So first of all, who remembers I told that this week is going to be crazy, and see what this week had done. This week was green. This weekly candle was green till Friday. And what happened on Friday? Boom. A sell off. Boom, a sell off. And let's have a look of the monthly chart. Let's first go from monthly charts. Yes, this is Nifty future. I am using Nifty futures because I have done some things on Nifty spot. And first I would like to give you some learnings. If you want to skip to the levels part, then it is your, what I say, misfortune that you don't understand how markets are working. And you, if you keep running behind levels, you will never earn money. It is a harsh truth, but it's the truth. People will not tell you the truth. I will, because I don't want you to lose your money unnecessarily here. Okay. So if you are okay with learning the harsh truths of life, and if you really want to succeed, then continue with this video. This video is only for people with winner mindset and for people with hunger to do something. If you are that guy, that's awesome, and I caught you. Perfect. So now let's have a look at the monthly candles. See, what is this candle? This is where the top of the Nifty was made approximately 1st October, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, 1st October, this top was made on monthly candle. After that, markets are coming down slowly, slowly. Do you see? So markets are coming down slowly, 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 slowly. They are going up, coming down. A lot of volatility, lot of volatility. Now what happened here? What happened here? Market gave a sharp move down. Okay. Everyone started panicking. Everyone started selling their portfolios. Okay. What did markets did? Markets then reversed very quickly. Now, this is what not for beginners, even they will understand. This is a bullish engulfing. What does a bullish engulfing tell you? That so many buyers came here, that engulfed previous 2 months selling in the single candle. A absolute shocking bull run. And if you remember, we were able to predict this right at this point, and we captured approximately, like, this was given even on a free telegram community, and we were able to capture approximately 2500 points. Cool, right? So that is how you capture the bottoms and the tops. But if I show you on monthly chart, you will think that markets look to be in downtrend in weekly chart, right? Sorry, in normal chart and daily chart, market look to be in downtrend. But if I go to monthly chart, what can you see? You are still seeing something like this. Can I draw? Okay, think it will not allow me to draw smoothly. Yeah, it will not allow me to draw smoothly. Sorry, this went up, come down, went up, come down, something like this. So if I just shift to line chart, you will see markets broke out of the previous downtrend on a closing basis. Line chart will show you the closing basis data. So we know that we are heading higher. And what is the what is the technical definition of a uptrend? In an uptrend, see, downtrend looks like this: lower high, lower lows, lower high, lower lows. What is an uptrend? Uptrend is when markets breaks out of the previous high and then goes like this. I don't care if you are a retail trader or if you're a smart money trader, you're a Wyckoff trader, whatever. This is the absolute crux of the market. This is the absolute crux of the market. So what did market do here? What did markets do here? If I show you, market broke out of the previous highs, even this high. See, on closing basis, even by a little bit, but we don't care. We can just see the levels and have a look here. Don't mind, the length of this video is going to be a little longer, but it will have a so lot more learnings. Market broke out of this. This is, this was the previous high closing basis and we are broken out to that. Awesome. Now there are two possibilities. Now there is a possibility that markets do a 360-degree reversal like this. This is a possibility. I'm not ruling that out. But what is the sign of an uptrend? The basics. What is that? In uptrend, markets make like this higher high. What comes after higher high? A little bit of retracement, a lower high before markets continue to go up higher, right? So if you see, markets made a high, markets came down a bit. So markets can do something like this, going from there, and they can start moving higher. So this is my thought process, that markets can do this. Markets can do this. This is my thought process. Even after, if we come to a weekly chart, what can we see on a weekly chart? Market still this point, have a look, right? Lower high, lower lows, lower high, lower lows. This is where market broke out. This is where markets broke out of the previous closing basis. See, can you see this? Awesome. So monthly showing you a bullishness, monthly showing you a bullishness. Plus everywhere around the globe, what people are trying to do, people are trying to short the market because apparently US markets are lower or some shit like that, right? So basically everyone is trying to short this. Okay, do you think if they really want to move down like fast, they will let retailers sell before selling at each of the previous tops? See, we were able to capture the tops as well. I even gave you on our Instagram channel. You can find the link in the description for our Instagram channel, right? But if you see, markets didn't spend time near high, and as soon as they made a high, they start dribbling down. Made a high, start dribbling down. Made a high, start dribbling down. But what it did here, this is pretty mind-boggling. What they did from approximately last, if I can mark this, 1 2 3, let me see how many bars are there. These are 37 bars, approximately 56 days. 56 trading days. In a month, there are approximately 20 to 22 trading days. So we can say that from last 3 4 months, market became volatile. This is volatility. All markets are going up, coming down. You can see the crazy things, and we told you that markets are going to be crazy for a while now. Why do markets do this? Because markets went higher. See, markets went from here to here in a single shot rally. If I go to a weekly chart, you can see not a single retracement, not a single retracement, right? See, only this was, but this, do you think this is a healthy price action? Markets can just rally like this? No, right? Because if markets keep going higher like that, then even retailers will make a lot of money, which markets will never allow, which the markets are never going to allow. And why does market allow that? Because markets and market makers don't want anyone to earn money. They want to keep all the money to themselves, because there are only few participants in the market, that is retailers and institutions, right? So what did markets do? Even after such a sell-off, we didn't broke below this entire, consolidation range. You can say this as a base, or I don't care what you call this, but this is a sideways movement. The markets are in a range from here to here. Markets are in a range. Awesome. Now everyone is selling this. Everyone is selling this, right? Where are the obvious things to do? People would have sold this. Where are retailers trapped? I'm on the smart money, guys. I'll tell you. See, that is why I told tell you there is a difference between smart money and actual smart money. The big institutions, how they trade. Do you think markets will work on just BOSOB like that? If markets were so simple, don't you think anyone could trade for a living? No, right? So basically, everyone is trapped over. Retailers are trapped. Even their smart money guys are trapped. Now, now, the most important thing, for my understanding is that markets, if sustain, I will give you the spot level, don't worry, but I'll give you a fair idea. If market, even after such a bearish momentum, Don't close below this line, don't cross below this area basically. uh, to be very precise, I can say the, give me one moment. Hmm. If markets on a closing basis, if markets on a closing basis don't give you a closing below the this candle, below the highest point of this candle, if this is where the institutions see, I don't know what people do, what people say. I don't trade basically just order blocks, etc. I do various weird different things. I don't do my algorithm understanding this level, the high of 20th December. Like if I show you this on a daily chart, this is where the market algorithm was kicked in. This is the date where market algorithm placed a bet over here. So what, this level is very crucial now. This level is very crucial. And you can see anytime that markets were trying to come near to this level, they reacted. Why? Because these are institutional orders, not yours, not smart money. No, this is the algorithm which punches the order into market. So unless market on a weekly chart or even on a daily chart give a closing below that, if we are not able to give a closing below that, if this doesn't happen, if this doesn't happen, what I am expecting, I am expecting a 180-degree reversal. Not in the week to come, but in 1 to 2 weeks. I'm expecting markets to do this and shock the world and shock the retailers. So this is my plan for now. I hope you understood the study. Right, I hope you understood a little bit of something. This is what I can teach you, not the details, but these little things I can of course teach you in some videos, and I'll try to give you as many as learnings as possible, right? So I hope you understood all that. The markets monthly are very bullish. This is but a retracement after approximately how many points? um, Market rallied from bottom, we got 2000 3000 points approximately. After 3000 points, market can retrace 700 points. It is only healthy. And I don't particularly use Fibonacci, but even if we see apart from Fibonacci, give me one moment. Markets are on a retracement level. So markets, I'm not particularly bearish in markets. The whole world is crying, wolf, that oh, everything is gonna crash now. We're heading to recession. When the recession actually hits, no one gets a chance to enter into short, and no one gets a chance to exit out of longs. So if everyone is shouting recession, this is not a recession. Okay, this is my study. So what is my view? And before we come to my view, let's see what we did on the in the previous day, and what is the view for tomorrow. I'll discuss this in a detailed manner. So if you like the explanation, if you like to see things from this perspective, do support, do like, do share, and do comment below this video, so that I can get that you people are enjoying this, or else I'll keep just videos to some learning videos and some level videos, like daily YouTube level videos. If you like these sessions which I take you, where I try to understand a little bit of psychology, the market makers, things, models, etc., then do support, right? Leave a like, comment, and share this video to your trader buddies. Let's have a look what we did. This was the trade that we had given. 17,103 at 12, it made a high of 48. Capital became 4x. If you would have put just 50,000 rupees in this trade, you would have gotten 2 lakhs approximately. So this is the power of knowing your stuff. Or even 10,000 would have become 40,000. That is why I told you that you don't need a lot of money to make money in markets. You need a skill set which will allow you to capture tops and bottoms, so that you know how to position yourself with little to no risk for those bigger rewards. 1 is to 10, 1 is to 50. This kind of risk reward. Right. Awesome. Awesome. So this is what we did. This is our free Telegram community where we give you such call outs, where we give you call outs like this in one moment. This is something that I shared for learning purpose, the testaments of trading. You will find the link for this free Telegram community in the description. In this community, I give you call outs, daily call outs, trades, my live market outlook, my swing views, my some stocks, so that you can even earn some money. My motive behind this channel is to help as many as people to be financially independent, and to be, not the fancy term financially independent, but I want you to be wealthy. I don't mean a lot of money when I mean, when I say wealth. By wealth, I want that you can work according to your preferences. You are not forced to work, so that is the biggest form of wealth for me, right? So this is my testaments of trading, my rules for trading. Kindly have a look at that. This will help you, and we conducted a free telegram free session for our members too. So we keep conducting this session, so if you are interested in them, you will find the link to this channel in the description, where you will get trades like this. So, and my time study says that if we hold the lows which I just told you, we will get approximately 800 to 1300 points in index at least. This is not the maximum target. My maximum target for index is, if I'll tell you, you will laugh. But if we make a new all-time high, in Nifty, I am expecting, after all-time high, I'm expecting the target of 19,200 at least, right? After we take out the this high, after we take out the all-time high, you are not supposed to take a breakout trade over here. I'm not a breakout trader, remember this. I don't trade breakouts. We are supposed to position ourselves somewhere along here, so that we can ride till the breakout, and after the breakout we can just trail our profits. So our risk reward will be humongous. With a very small risk, you get a lot of money, right? And that is what the trading is all about. If you see my tenets of trading, um, risk reward is everything. Getting the highest possible risk reward ratio is the only holy grail you require in trading. Yes, so for such gems, do join this free telegram community. And I told you, you have nothing to worry about. I have got your back, right? I have you, don't worry about it. So now let's come to intraday levels as well as the weekly levels, for weekly. So first have a look at this. I want markets to open gap down if we are to sustain bullish. If markets open flattish to gap up, then this view will not hold much. I'm not expecting this view to hold much. Markets should not open a gap up or not even flattish. I am expecting markets, or I want rather markets to open gap down and sustain. What is the level? The level of 17,154 on spot. We need to sustain above this on closing basis. Yes. Or not even closing basis, for intraday. You can see that if markets are coming at this level and trying to go up from there, then you can let it sustain for approximately 45 minutes to 1 hour or 1 hour 15 minutes. If markets are holding that level, you can take a weekly position, or even swing position with a very small stop loss. And what will be your target? The target will be very high. Your targets can be 17,800 easily. So this is the weekly thing that I'm talking about. Even intraday, this view will hold. What is at the algorithmic level of 17,267 for tomorrow, but this level, the level of 17,154, the level of 17,154 is like your Lakshman Rekha on closing basis. If markets don't close below this, then we are heading high. Then we are heading ahead. So what is the level? If markets sustain above the level of 17,154, we'll head toward the level of 17,269 and 17,383. If markets break above the level of 17,383, then the bullish view is confirmed, and we'll see our all-time high in next 1 month, right? So what is the view? Markets, by opening gap down, even a little bit gap down is okay, but flattish and gap up is not the scenario for me. If markets open a gap down and sustain above the level of 7,154 and hold this, and we are able to break the level of 7,383 to the upside, we will see a all-time high in approximately next 1 month. This is my view. But what if markets are not able to sustain above this level, below the level of 7,154? I don't want a closing. I want a daily closing, or at least 2 hour, 3 hour closing. If markets are closing to the level of 17,154 on a daily candle basis, or even a 3 hour closing basis, then we are heading to 16,900 very quickly. 16,900, 16,500 is on cards below the level of 17,154. Right, so remember these two levels. These are very crucial level. Below this, we are heading to 16,900, 16,500 approximately. If bullish view is to sustain, we should open a gap down. We should open a gap down. Then we should go and cross the level of 17,383. Then we are heading to all-time highs, new all-time highs. And what is my expectation? Let me just duplicate this. Mhm. Awesome. If markets if markets hold the levels, if market hold these levels, what I'm expecting a yet another bullish candle. If the levels are sustained, which I told you on this chart, we will see a candle like this. This is my bullish candle. Okay, this is my bullish candle, or rather, I can perfect. So I am expecting markets to do a reversal, and very sharp reversal, very quick reversal. If you are not able to close below those levels, first target will be approximately till this point. You can take the, yeah, this point, 17,800 approximately, yeah, 874. This is the first target. Then markets, this candle should not be that big. I don't want this candle to become like this. No, this candle should be like this, and then the next candle should open a gap up and continue higher, something like this. So this is my view. So if you like this view, if you like the methods of analysis, if you like the uniqueness of the concepts, then do support, and I'll make sure to give you such learnings on time to time basis. So I'll guide you in the live markets tomorrow. And where will my guidance come? My guidance will come in the free Telegram community, the link for which is in the description. And if you want to learn how to do this yourself, how to understand the algorithm, how to enter before FIS and DIIs to make the supreme amount of money with the lowest of risk, then yes, we do have a learning program. Just get in contact with us, and we'll get you started to your journey to profitability and consistency, so that you can get the huge risk rewards and ability to capture tops and bottom. Remember, an investment in yourself will give you the highest of returns, right? So with this thought, I am bidding you a goodbye, and I'll see you tomorrow in live market. Bye bye. Thank you so much for all your love.